This first episode is based on the vacation movies, and the Goldbergs go on vacation. So there's a lot of really cool on-location shots, Disneyland being one of them. And there's, it's the Goldbergs. There's going to be shenanigans on the road.
In terms of the homages, I don't know, man. They're tearing through 80s films. I think they'd be great. I love that that's kind of a theme in the show, which is really cool. So anyway, it was really a pleasure that they invited me to come have some fun with them on this episode. And here we are, Disneyland. It doesn't get better.
Wendy said, in the earlier seasons, that this was one of the movies she'd really want us to do as a group, and so to finally do it now is just very cool, and that we do get a chance to film it at Disney makes it a big deal. Like the middle shot here, Modern Family, I think Blackish and Boy Meets World, a bunch of these great shows have filmed here, so now being a part of joining that group of shows is just really awesome, and kind of like you feel more cemented in the family of Disney.
We've been talking about it for years, and I know Wendy's always wanted to go, and I mean, when you see the other shows, like we saw Modern Family go, I think the middle one, It was like, we were like, when's our turn coming? But the vacation episode had to happen at some point, so this was like a perfect opportunity to do that.
I'm having a blast, honestly. It just... it's the coolest job in the world. We already have so much fun working on set, and now getting to do it at Disneyland is awesome.
For me, being a child of television, all the TV shows over the years where they would go to Disneyland, different... I'm in awe that I'm actually here with. I came to the park yesterday just to come. Yeah. And so today I'm filming here. I'm on a show that's in Disneyland. The next thing that's left for me to do was our family needs to go to Hawaii.
Hey.
There's always the Disneyland trip and the Hawaii trip. Right? Yeah, that's excellent. So we've covered that. Yeah.
I've been lucky enough to come here so many times that I can come here and not ride a single ride. I just like watching everybody. And around Christmas and Halloween, when it gets dark early and everything's all lit up, it is just the greatest thing in the world to watch families together and watch all the little kids, and now they have their princess costumes and stuff, and it's so adorable. Cute. And you just want to hug a stranger because everybody's happy when they come here. You just leave the whole world outside, and you come here and it's just magical. That's my favorite.
It is. It's magic. It really is. And nobody, anywhere in the world, nobody does a parade like Disneyland. The parades here are pure magic and joy.
I loved it. More, please.